So what are some study strategies to increase and improve your Spanish vocab? First, you have to decide what kind of vocab to improve. So are you studying Spanish specifically for your job or your studies? If so, then you should read literature and focus on materials that pertain to your field of work or study. If you're looking to improve your Spanish in general or for general communication during travel, that's what this training will help you most with. All you have to do is pay attention to what you hear in movies, music, TV, conversations with your friends or with your tutor, etc. You should be discovering new words to add to your vocabulary instead of seeking them out from a vocab list in a textbook or a pre-made vocab deck on an app or a website. That's what you're used to doing as a beginner level student. You take what vocab is given to you in programs or books that you're using, and you try to use that in the real world when you go to practice. Like I said before, that's great when you're a beginner, but now that you're moving beyond this stage, or you've already been beyond the beginner stage for a while and you kind of feel stuck, you have to reverse that process. Take what real-world Spanish gives you, and then you study that. You study what you come across while consuming real-world native speaker Spanish media.